Ashota Virajan, and today I will be presenting my solution for the software architecture assignment. In educational institutes, tracking student performance manually is slow and inefficient. Teachers must manually calculate averages across multiple subjects, identify failing students, and generate reports from raw data. This process delays critical intervention for at-risk students. My solution addresses this real-world problem using data flow architecture, a real-time student performance analytics and alerting system built using Apache NiFi. Now let's look at the design of my data flow pipeline. Starting with GetFile, this handles data movement by automatically injecting student mark data from the input folder the moment a file arrives. No manual trigger is needed. Next, ConvertRecord performs data transformation. It converts the raw CSV file into JSON format so it can be processed by the downstream component. SplitRecord then splits the combined data into individual student records so each student is processed separately through the rest of the pipeline. EvaluateJsonPath extracts each student's subject marks. UpdateAttribute is where the core data processing happens. It calculates each student's average score across all 6 subjects and assigns their performance level. RouteOnAttribute has the design engine, classify each student into one of the 5 categories: excellent, good, average, at-risk, or critical based on their calculated average. MergeRecord then combines the individual student records back into category files, grouping all the excellent students together, all the good students together, all the average students together, and all the risk students together. PutFiles. PutFiles handles the final data movement, saving each category's data to its own separate output folder automatically. Excellent, good, average, at-risk, like that. And finally, the alert branch. Here you can see the alert branch is what makes this a truly alerting system. It automatically generates warning messages for at-risk students and critical students who require teacher attention. Here you can see the PutFile for the alerts outputs. Now let us move to the live demonstration. Before I trigger the pipeline, let me show that all the output folders are completely empty. Here you can see all the output folders are completely empty right now. Nothing has been processed yet. This is the raw input data. Let's see what are the content in that input file. This is the raw input data. 50 students with marks across 6 subjects. This is exactly the kind of data a teacher would receive at the end of a term. Just raw numbers with no averages, no classifications, no alerts. Let's run it. Here you can see all the processes are running now. Here you can see the 50 outputs. It means 50 students. Here also you can see the 50 inputs. Now let me show you one of the most powerful feature of Apache NiFi, the data fluencer. Here you can see the compared processing history of one individual student record. Looking at the attributes, we can see the average score has been calculated and the performance level has been automatically assigned. Now let us look at the results. See the results. Here you can see the CSV file inside the excellent output folder. These are the details of the excellent students. Let's see average student. These are the average students details. Let's see alerts. These are the alerts for critical and at-risk students. The system automatically generates warning messages, medium priority alert for at-risk students and high priority critical alert for who failed 2 or more core subjects below 40 marks. In a production system, this would trigger an immediate notification to the teacher. This real-time student performance analytics and alerting system demonstrate all core principles of data flow architecture. Data movement is handled by GetFile and PutFile. Data transformation is performed by ConvertRecord, converting CSV to JSON. Data processing is done by UpdateAttribute, calculating average and classifying performance level. The automated alerting component flags at-risk and critical students in real time, replacing slow manual process with a scalable, automated, and fully traceable data pipeline built on Apache NiFi. Thank you.